Jake, is that your first alphabet soup? What's in your bowl?
A, C, O, O, P, O, U, O, O.
Jake, what's in your bowl? What are we eating today?
A, E, I,
You're only missing 2 vowels.
O,
One more.
U,
You're so right. You are so smart.
E, O.
Little man loves bet. This is his first alphabet soup ever. How exciting.
A,